This is Steve from the Celtic Farm with another permaculture video. Water is one of nature's most precious resources, and in permaculture, learning how to capture and store it is key to creating a self-sustaining garden. In today's video, we'll show you simple yet powerful techniques to make every drop count and keep your plants thriving, even in dry conditions. Let's start with rainwater harvesting, one of the easiest and most effective ways to capture water. When it rains, the water that falls on your roof is often wasted, but with simple setup, you can store it for future use. Rain barrels or larger cisterns can be installed under your downspouts to collect and store rainwater. This water is perfect for watering plants, reducing your reliance on municipal water or irrigation systems. By harvesting rainwater, you're not only conserving water, but also providing your garden with a chemical-free natural water source. Next up are swales, a simple yet powerful technique to slow down water and allow it to seep into the soil. Swales are shallow, water-holding ditches that follow the natural contours of the land. By slowing water down and directing it into the soil, swales prevent erosion and help retain moisture for your plants. The water is absorbed deeply, providing long-lasting hydration for trees, shrubs, and garden beds. Swales are especially useful on sloped, but they can be adapted to almost any landscape to maximize water retention. One of the simplest ways to conserve water is by applying mulch, nature's blanket. A thick layer of mulch not only protects the soil, but also reduces evaporation, meaning you'll need to water less. Organic materials like straw, wood chips, or leaves are perfect for mulching. As the mulch breaks down, it enriches the soil while holding moisture for your plants. This simple step can drastically cut down your irrigation needs, especially during dry seasons. Mulching also prevents erosion, keeps the soil temperature stable, and supports beneficial soil organisms, making it a win-win for any garden. Another great way to capture and store water is by using a Hugo Culture, an ancient technique that involves creating raised bed gardens filled with decomposing organic matter. The decomposing wood inside the bed acts like a sponge, soaking up and holding water for your plants to use. This method can keep your garden hydrated for weeks, even after a single rainfall. Hugo Culture beds work best in dry climates or areas prone to drought. They require little to no irrigation once established, plus they naturally enrich the soil over time. Greywater systems are another innovative way to reuse household water in your garden. Greywater is water from showers, sinks, or washing machines, safe for plants but unsuitable for drinking. With a simple greywater system, you can divert this water to your garden, reducing your water waste while keeping your plants hydrated. It's a sustainable solution for homes looking to conserve water and lower their environmental impact. You can also capture and store water by choosing the right plants. Deep-rooted plants like comfrey and yarrow help penetrate deep into the soil, while ground covers like clover reduce evaporation from the soil's surface. Ground covers not only retain moisture, but also protect the soil from erosion. This is an easy way to conserve water naturally while supporting healthy soil. By using techniques like rainwater harvesting, swales, mulching, Hugo Culture, you can create a garden that captures and stores water efficiently, keeping your plants healthy and reducing your water usage. It's all about working with nature to make the most of every drop. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more ways to apply permaculture principles to your garden, be sure to check out our video series. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating a sustainable, thriving garden.